No clap this time. I'm looking at some. Anyway, hi. Uh, let's get down to it. So therapy today, also school, but we don't have to talk about school. It's math class. What does it talk about? Added numbers together and multiply them together. Anyway, therapy. We learned a lot in therapy. Uh, we learned that we are doing well overall. We're definitely gotten better since the old existential crisis we had a couple weeks ago. So that's good. Um, Additionally, reining it in, calming it down. A major thing that I apparently deal with is struggling with the secondary emotions. So you're like primary emotions, right? Primary emotions is like let's say somebody just like punched you in the stomach and you got mad about it. That's your primary emotion, is you getting mad. Your secondary emotion is your feeling towards you feeling mad. So your reaction to your reaction. Makes sense? All right. And so, for example, the one we talked about a good bit in therapy is I don't really feel sad when I go to funerals, and I've been to a few. I see the people around me, and they're sad, and I feel for them, and I want to be there for them, but I don't feel sad. I generally feel pretty happy because I'm around a bunch of people. But my secondary emotion is like, why don't you feel sad? You should feel sad. And basically, the conclusion I came to today is like, I feel as though I'm doing feelings wrong, which is wild to say out loud, but here we are. It's just a wild thing to say out loud, but it's fine because I need to learn to recognize that it's okay to feel the way that I feel when I feel it. Makes sense? I'm glad. So here's what's up. Excuse me. So what we're working on is recognizing when I immediately start criticizing how I feel. And then that's it right now, is recognizing that. We're not changing anything yet. We're recognizing when I feel like I don't deserve to feel a certain way. So, what am I doing? Whatever. Because if we recognize when I'm doing it, it helps to figure out why I'm doing it, right? Because you can see a common trend. Anyway, that's therapy today. I want to get that on the record to help me remember the breakthroughs I made so I don't forget. That's really important because I could forget it and I don't want to because, it's not as helpful if I didn't learn anything. As for how I felt the past week, pretty good. Just pretty good. No major notes, just felt pretty good. Oh! There is actually something huge that happened. I have a plan now until like fall of 2025 for what I'm going to do for school, and how to like start getting to the radiology program at the schools near me, right? So that's awesome. I met with a counselor for that, and that's been super helpful. Yeah, that's it. That's it, man. That's kind of all I got. Yeah. So this one's a bit shorter than some of the other ones have been, but you know, anyway, after this, I'm going to upload this video, and then I'm going to do a real lightning fast assignment, and then after that, I'm probably going to play like Overwatch or something. I don't know. But first things first, gotta do a real quick assignment because it's worth like 25 points and like 10% of my grade or something. I'm a bit annoyed by the fact that this dumb assignment will have a bigger impact on my grade than like the actual tests, right? Like if I turn in this assignment, it's worth more than like the next 3 tests in this class. And it's not even like a math assignment. It's like a study assignment or something. It's whatever. It's not important. What is important is that we're doing it and it'll be good. All right. Goodbye.